Welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be doing something a little different here, and we're going to be building Ecto-1, the car from Ghostbusters. So let's get right into the build here. So the first step is to take a block of coal for the front tire, and we'll place that down with a stone button on the side. On the other side, on the upper hip box, 2 polished andesite slabs, then another coal over here with a button on the side. In front of it, we'll do a single row of 4 polished andesite slabs on the upper hip box. Then behind this, we're going to make a row of slabs 8 blocks long and extend that over so it's 4 wide. So a 4 by 8. Behind this, another block of coal on each side and 2 slabs in the middle, and a stone button on the side of each coal block. Then behind this on the upper hip box, a 4 by 3 of polished andesite slabs. So it comes out 3 behind the tires. Now come back up to the front here, and we're going to take out deep slate brick blocks, and we'll put 2 on the center and close trapdoors on them. On either side, an upside down forward facing polished andesite stair. Then behind it, an outward facing upside down smooth quartz stair above each tire. Then 8 smooth quartz blocks coming back on the outside edge of each side. Then above this tire, another upside down outward facing smooth quartz stair on either side. Then 2 smooth quartz behind it on each side, 2 across the back, so 1 row of slabs sticks out back there. Now come on top of the back smooth quartz here, put 2 cyan stained glass panes in the center. Turn around and a red nether brick stair on each side like this, and on the back of those an upside down red nether brick stair on each side. Then come in front of where the stairs are and we'll put 2 red nether brick slabs on either side. Then in front of that, a smooth quartz block on each side. Then 2 cyan stained glass panes on each side. Then another smooth quartz block on each side. And then in front of that, on each side, we'll do 2 cyan stained glass panes again. Then up here, we'll do 3 rows of 2 smooth quartz across this middle and 4 cyan stained glass panes across the front here. Now come inside here. We're going to put a dark oak fence gate on the left for the steering wheel. Then we need to grab a lever and put a lever next to it. Turn around behind it and put 2 stairs for seats. Skip 2 and another set of 2 stairs for seats. Then we'll take out polished blackstone stairs and we'll put 3 like this. And then next to that, we're going to grab wither skeleton skull and put 3 of them right here. Then we're going to cover this whole inside tube in here with cyan stained glass blocks so we have a surface to work with. Now come on top of the windshield, put 4 white carpet up here. Then behind it, 4 smooth quartz slabs. Then behind that, 4 blue glass to represent the light bar. Then we need to do the light bar at the back here. So we're going to come down to the rear end and go back to smooth quartz slabs. Right here, put 4 slabs coming across, then 4 blue glass for the rear light bar. Now grab deep slate tile stairs, and we're going to put 2 in the center here facing forward. Then do upside down outward facing 3 of them. Then 2 upside down backward facing here, and 3 upside down outward facing here. If you want these lights to look like they're on, you can replace these light bars with beacons, like that. But I'm just going to use the blue glass on mine here. Now on the top outside edge of this side, we're going to put a prism ring wall here and here. Then the other side is slightly different. We're going to take out end stone brick wall for this side and do a full row on this top outside edge. Then take out polished black stone brick wall, come to this back right hand corner of these stairs, put one wall here, then turn sideways and put an acacia fence gate in front of it. Right next to that, we're going to put a lightning rod at the back with a skeleton skull on top. Then, in front of it, open dark oak fence gates. Then in front of that, a polished diorite slab here. Then take out a skeleton skull over here and put it angled like this. Then, in front of this slab, we need a grindstone with a glow item frame on it, and then redstone block in the item frame. Then on this side, we're going to put a smooth quartz slab in between these prismarine walls here, like that. Then take iron trapdoors, 2 on top in the middle of this light bar, 2 on top in the middle of this light bar here. Now take out snow, and we're going to put 2 layers of snow up each side of the hood here. And then we'll fill the middle of the hood with white carpet up here. Then come down to the back end here, and we're going to put a regular item frame on either side. And in those, we're going to put a smooth stone block on each side. Then on this corner here, a mangrove button, same thing over here. Then we'll move up to the front end here, and on either side of this front end, we're going to put a glow item frame. Then come around the corner, put a birch sign here, and then same thing on this side. Then come down on the side, under the window here, put a temporary block right here, and we'll put an angled skeleton skull here with a lever under it. We'll do the same thing over here, so temporary block here, skeleton skull, lever underneath it. Then put a regular item frame on the side right here, and on this side over here. Then up here, we're going to put a skeleton skull on each side back here, and there's also little lights up here. So in order to place those, we're actually going to have to take out these side carpets. So change those side carpets to skeleton skulls. Now come into a loom with a white banner and red dye. We're going to do a diagonal and then put a border on it. New banner. Make the right half red, then a diagonal, and then a horizontal on top. New banner. This time make the left half red and a horizontal on top. And these will represent the logos. So we're going to put this one on the item frame here. Same thing on this side. Then come to the back and put the 2 other banners like this. Then we'll come up here and we're going to take out iron bars for an antenna, and we're going to put 2 iron bars right here. Then we'll put a temporary block here, and then a skeleton skull like this. Take out the temporary block because there's another little light there. Now come back into a loom with a yellow banner and black dye, put a border on it and a horizontal in the center. And this is for the headlights, so we're going to put it on these item frames up here and turn them so they're sideways. Now come on this side right here and put 2 prismarine walls in a column because there's a little pipe. Then on this side there's a ladder. So right here we're going to put dark oak fence gates, and we're actually going to do a column of 3 and leave them closed here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Ecto-1 Ghostbuster car. I hope you enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.